like, here's some panties, shut your mouth. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. It is day 4 of December 2018 Box Week. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together until you're catching us on day 4. So if you want to be part of just like, I can't talk. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. Okay, so really quick before we get into tonight's unboxing, I want to let you know we will be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. That is this box here that is full of goodies. This box, I'm thinking it's going to be full by the end of December Box Week. So when that box is full, I will post a video telling you how you can enter to win it. And I'm really excited because it's like a little Christmassy giveaway situation going on. And so tonight we're going to be opening up a box that, it's funny because like, it's been kind of like on the chopping block, but then it's also been kind of decent. So it's like, I'm not exactly sure how I even feel about it anymore. Like every other month, like I love it or hate it. So today we're going to be opening the Macy's beauty box. Macy's is from Macy's department store, and it is a $15 monthly subscription box where they don't do any like variations. They kind of send you the same thing every month. It's been around for over a year. So we are going to open it up tonight, see what we got going on in here. I got my man, Mr. John Wayne, my knife, cutting this bad boy open to see what we got going on. You know, part of the reason I think I keep Macy's around, it's because of that like stupid coupon. Like every month, I'll show you in a second here, but every month you get a coupon in there. Oh snap, the bag's cute. Well, I know the bag's cute. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, there's something big at the bottom of this. Last month they gave us underwear. First of all, I just feel like I need to bring that back up. So last month they gave out underwear to everyone, and I just had a lot of feelings and emotions about that. So go back to November Box Week so you can hear about that. Okay, so, oh my god, it's a $10 one. So every single month they give you one of these. A lot of times they're $5. This month it is $10. And essentially, you can use it on Macy's beauty products. But the thing that's been weird about it, so originally when they started handing those out, and it was like 5 off, it was 5 off of $5, and everything Macy's Beauty ships for free, so you can spend like $6, get $5 off, spend $1, and get free shipping. Now, it's been like you have to spend $10, and then you get $5 off. So I don't really know exactly how it works with the $10. I'm gonna have to spend $20. I mean, I'm not a quitter, so we'll figure it out. But anyway, so inside, there is this really, really cute bag that's like rose gold, sequins, and like, I don't know what is this fabric? This fabric on the back, whatever this is, it's on the back. And then it had this full-size bottle of sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom from Ritual. I need to keep this because I'm intrigued by this brand Ritual, like Rituals, my bad. I don't know, I just feel like I feel like I haven't quite figured out how I feel about it yet, so I need to keep this to like just test it out, shower with it. I'm always looking for a new shower gel, and this is a foaming shower gel, which makes me feel like something special. You know, it's gonna be something special going on, so I'm gonna keep that. Oh, I can actually smell it. I don't have to spray it. Oh, it smells pretty. Oh my gosh. First of all, let's take note that I like the way something smells. So that happened. Alright, setting this down on the floor here. I'm going to open up the actual bag now and see what we got in here. It's all wrapped up in nice pink paper. You know, I feel like Macy's maybe trying to step it up. Because they gave out panties last month. Now they're giving out a full-size shower gel. Maybe they saw my video. Me talking trash and just saying how much I felt like I was going to cancel them. They're like, here's some panties. Shut your mouth. Okay, so inside of the actual bag, we have Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. It is a fragrance. I'm pretty sure I've smelled this before, and I don't think that I liked it very much. I'm not going to spray it right now because last month I sprayed a fragrance and then my skin started like getting really itchy and breaking out the whole night. So I'm going to not smell this again because I'm pretty sure I smelled it and I was like, not for me. So I'm going to just not do that. Next thing that we have is Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lipstick. So this is like a metallic red matte lipstick. I'm definitely going to put this into the giveaway box. This is so cool and pretty. I have a lot of red lipsticks. This would be fun to keep, but honestly, I want somebody to win this because I just feel like they could be all like, yes girl, with my metallic matte lipstick. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. Next thing that we have is Tidal Sunday Riley Okay, it is a brightening enzyme water cream from Sunday Riley. Ooh, y'all, this is kind of nice. Macy's is just like, what, Drew? Did you say you were canceling us? Because we're going to give you panties and foaming shower gel. So, I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box as well. Sunday Riley is an amazing product. I'm pretty decent on skincare right now, and I would love for somebody to get to try this. If you do get the giveaway box, be sure to let the rest of us know how you like it and if you think it's great or not. Next thing that we have is Radiant, Revitalize, and Firm Mask. Ooh, from Borghese, Roma. I've never tried this brand and I've always wanted to. Macy's. Stop it. You've been so thoughtful. All right. Oh, it's gold. Girl. Y'all, it is gold and it smells nice. I am done. I feel fancy. I feel like Macy's cares about me and thought about me. Okay, so we are going to definitely be trying that out sometime soon. And I have been trying to be really good about when I try different face masks, posting about them on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is on YouTube and everywhere else. Go follow me there if you're like, I want to know about face masks. Usually I post those in my IG stories, just a heads up. And then finally in here we got the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. I'm putting this giveaway box as well because I don't need mascara right now. So, my thoughts on this box overall. So I like that they've been doing like a full-size item. I like that Macy's getting on that program of like, let's give them something, you know, good. I still feel like some of these items are a little bit small, as in they'd be more like sample-size items, but I am impressed that they are improving. So I think I'm going to stick it out for a few more months because I want to see if Macy's is going to start giving more full-size items or they're going to be more creative and things like that. So I am actually impressed with this box. I do feel like most of the items are sample size, so things you could kind of get as gift with purchase, but I am impressed that they are starting to do full size products, and they've done this for a couple months going. So I feel like there's a good chance it can only go up from here, and I'll watch next month. You know, come around. It might not be so great, but I have a good feeling. I feel like there's hope for Macy's yet. So to recap, we got the Good Girl from Carolina Herrera, and I'm not testing this just because I've tested before, and my body's been struggling with testing out fragrances lately. It's just like, Drew, no. So I'm not going to be testing that out. We got the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Lipstick in this like beautiful red shade, which honestly, I like want to try it on my hand just so you can see what it looks like, but I'm not going to open it because that's gross. But honestly, this looks so gorgeous, and I'm really excited for somebody to win this because it's just like amazing. That's going to the giveaway box. We got the MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Lash Dimension Mascara sample, which is going in the giveaway box as well. We got the Tidal from Sunday Riley cream, which I'm actually really like. I think that's going to be an amazing product for somebody to try out as well, especially in like the warm winter months where like your skin is just like, feed me, I'm so dry and thirsty. That's going in there, can't talk, as well. We got the Borghese, I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know, but it just sounds right. The Borghese, how do you say this? I don't know, but I'm excited. Can you even read it? Focus. Come on, man. Well, it's B-O-R-G-H-E-S-E, Borghese. Radiant, Revitalize, and Firming Face Mask, which I'm just like, okay. And we got the Rituals Celebrate Each Day as a New Beginning Sensational Foaming Shower Gel in the scent Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom, which again just smells pretty good. And we also got the $10 off coupon. So I think this is actually a great box. I'm happy with it. Oh yeah, and we got this like cute rose gold bag with this fabric, whatever this is, on the back. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Justlikedrew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of December 2018 box week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I just started running out of eye makeup remover. Can we talk about how this matches my sweatshirt? So I don't know. I just feel like it literally, it's like the little cap.